Good afternoon, ladies. Just want to talk about the big rig build, which I will be joining in. It's not practical to do it here for various reasons I won't go into. But once I'm moved, I really want to get into building a can. I'm the junkie that's got nothing to do at the moment. Because several on the go. I got the AMT Ertl Convoy Mack truck. Got a couple more Macs. I've got Dodge COE. Quite a few European trucks as well. Mercedes Scania. Iveco. But I've also got a 16th scale, 16th scale Kenworth by Monogram. It's a big bugger. I would like to build that. Various 16 scale cars. I've all attempted to put the Kenworth engine into a car of some kind. I don't think I will though. I can do that on 24 scale. Also an 8-wheel drive fire engine, Frankfurt Airport. I just don't know what to do at the moment. Believe me, I will be joining in though. Okay, thanks, bye.